This tutorial is going to go over how to use the distance sensor to control your robot. The distance sensor is the ET-like module that sits on the top of the robot. It's also called an ultrasonic sensor, and it measures distance from the sensor. You can use it to control the robot to make it do certain things when it detects an object. And this tutorial will show you how to begin to work with that sensor. So I've got a blank program right here. I'm going to come down to weight, and then I'm going to choose distance. I'm going to drag it up here. Once you have this sensor module, you can look right down here. This is kind of your preview window that will show you the measurement that it's currently sensing. So right now there's nothing within 100 inches of the sensor, but if I put my hand in front of it, you'll see it change as it senses how close something is to it. So to control it, I'm going to keep this at sensor. I'm going to choose ultrasonic sensor. The port is 4. And right here is the stuff that you'll want to kind of change. So right now, it's set to sense something or do something if it's less than 50 inches. Most of the time when you're working with the robot, you'll want to stay between 12 and 20. So what this is saying is that it's going to activate this block when there's something less than 12 inches away from it. I can change the unit of measurement down here to centimeters if I want, but most of you will want to stay within inches. So right now, this program up here, when it has start, it's going to look for a sensor, and if there's something that's within 12 inches, it's going to execute whatever is next. And so I can add something like a move block and put it right here. And what I might say is when the program starts, if it senses something less than 12 inches, I'm going to say turn on the motors. I'm going to keep all of this the same. I'm going to drop the speed down to 50. I'm going to, instead of doing one rotation, I'm going to do unlimited, which basically means it'll turn it on. And then that's it for that. Now right now, when I hit start, it's only going to do it once because it's going to check for something less than 12 inches, and then it's just going to turn the motor on continuously. And that might be good. I might need a loop or something around this for future programs, but essentially that's what will happen. So if I download it or hit play, I can run it and test it out. You can obviously change this to different things like play a sound, things like that.